Mwanju muriendo onse osfoberete nande nigo yaragire Ensa Eyemo yabona marago bana gosemeri kwane nanigo kobwate lituko ligiya kurumambia nene bali banda asikanza nabana krabalo bereti kwenda lituko lya mambia na semeri nani gore me osenigora sero yawe kero ganyita mangana maya Ensa Eyemo kurwandi Steve Nero wansumo usino kubolikwa nabono ikaranzo ike endingwerere buna nyaleka watuka me na isko ya usikartwarna asikambirguri ya Supreme Court inaki abantu banyara bakwira anne responses gose bali iba kinakirike bikira sense meli ntwaro byombe ao nene kyo bomo obwasi kyama ose kyombigirite ne tobo jone jimbe IBC nangyanyarage koira amaira ne lyaye igoro yekine kyo kere ase ikigambere kyo begontwarana ndoroja bomo boli bwa Kenya Kwanza na borobu aba wakiri mbaira ebinte byabo asense mei bego naba wakiri ose aba commissioner bali be kyombigiriye IBC bakora ona cherera borobu mbaira ki response yabo ase kyombe kyose ase Supreme Court eri kine kicha gotegerwa litko lya Jumatatu bene begontrojina siasa ni gebwate Ensa Eyemo ya Mombasa Ensa Eyemo Kakamega ekero abake bamenyi bense mibande kwere nujuwaka GOKORA OBOCHORI litko lya Jumatatu iriko chora bagabana babo ayu na mange nkwaliganirye asemaro babano no kubolikwa na ikaranso ikende ngusanso manene ayumo na mange yora Ensa Eyemo yo munwe manyelyo ni akorokwa choshouta neriane Brighton Makoli. Ensa Eyemo ni kutoka jaga kurwasi bunge nene anene kereki kambiro ya Supreme Court kyarekana kuna chogo jika bona mangana gose chibes jija CDF ni go chigo tumeka maminja yedi chigo se chiko ndiyo legotane kyo chibes jiji tumekwe gose jirawe na aba na siasa gose ababunge bono ni yarekana na ababunge be bunge ya 13 ni go barachu kwanira engane ye karbara so ya se bunge eri kwene kimina chibes chunguira na jiro ikasa maboko abo kolengana barabo ni bono banyari ba tabuna chibes cyo ni go chabeire echogo sira mono anena samagendero ime yorogongo rwagusi gose asensito engima.
The first agenda of the House to make sure CDF is operational.
So many of the projects that are done, not to forget the bursaries, it is out of the CDF. So CDF has done so much in the constituencies and even in the county.
There is need for us to grow the economy at a manner or such that we get back to what is the pre-corona.
Omorai wikama gyodiam Raila Odinga boigolitie kirwekana ne gwetera somo bwasi miuro moja wani Kenya litukorera ni ganyorana na babwatania nene gose kamati eri ya lekwanda OBOCHORI bwe kiame kyo gosomo bwasi miuro moja bali bale kora campaign gose kamati ya lekora campaign chomo bwo anne krotwara goso OBOCHORI obonne boy kompanyara ba kwanira akibe aliganeti ko cia OBOCHORI obonne bole ase county Mombasa neri ya kamego muri kito Frida Kirbo ni gatware ni roboti rwa SENGERA yobekirana.
Omorai bekiama gia ODM Raila Odinga na baigole koligia ekerokyo borai bense gwetera obomo bwazimio la umoja ni golitukolia lero aumirana ne body yalikora campaign ya zimio la umoja ase Ensa Eyemo ya Upper Hill na gokwana na balikiba mangana nigo airanelimbia mono ase body yo ase merimo emiyaba beire ba GOKORA boigo nigo akwanera engwana ya no Secretary General of United Nations Antonio Guterres ikoro OBOCHORI bwa Kenya.
This board has steered the campaign. They have been very engaged in designing strategies of our campaign, and I'm very grateful for the job that they have done so far. Guterres called me to talk to me about the developments in our country and the region generally. I briefed him about what has happened in our country, the outcome of our general elections, and the processes that we have initiated to get a satisfactory solution to this problem. He was, of course, very grateful to the manner in which we have behaved and the way in which we have conducted everything up to now.
Omunyakerogo bwe body yo boigo okabeire omugavana Olaikipia Nderitu Mureithi nigate babuna nigo Kenya ebwenete gokora OBOCHORI bo bwenne no bwasioku.
We want to say to the country that we must be able to go beyond the rituals we've had previously and be able to conduct meaningful democratic election.
Boigonigo aerera okuyarigani kwabo ase obochori bole bosi litukolia Jumatatu ase boigo agania abantu bonsi gwesokia na gwaka ekura.
Quite ready for the elections on Monday in Kakamega, in Mombasa, as well as in 6 constituencies, and we look forward to it. We encourage all our supporters and all Kenyans to get out and vote. It is your right, it is your responsibility.
Boigonigo asensemo ya Mombasa baganigwa kwegerera ekirogo kiabo na koleta obobui ase chinga kiechio nigo bamumochiri omo CEO o IBC Marjan Hussein asoko mochora omorugio yakoba omo County Returning Officer ime ya Mombasa.
The CEO of IBC recruited his wife to be the County Returning Officer for Mombasa. One, Swala Yusuf. One, that is a conflict of interest. Number 2, there's a scheme to deny the people of Mombasa their will and to rig. And we will not going to allow that. So as we go to Mombasa, we want to tell Marjan, we know you have already planned using your wife to rig the election of Mombasa.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.
Hekero abamenyi be county ya Mombasa baganete kwere ngo GOKORA OBOCHORI ivuwa machoro mugabana we county yo litukuria Jumatatu ya dikemeronge bere na kianda ni gobano yo kabere mugabana we county ya Krive Amazon King ya nyaririga ko boli abamenyi be nsemo ya Mombasa go chigochora omurai gosyo yo kuligero wetera somo bwa Kenya kwanza wetera sekema kia UD Hassan Umar elikwena kibuna ngoso abara serikali ego chikorosiwa no murai mochole Dr. William Ruto.
Hayo kufanyika ni kwamba tarehe 29 Jumatatu inayokuja twende juu chini tuhakikishe kwamba gavana wa pili wa Mombasa anatoka katika mrengo gani? Mrengo wa Kenya kwanza. Wewe uliwafanya nini watu wako mpaka wakawa hawataki kusikiza? Wewe kuna sababu gani wewe watu wako wamekukataa paka pale ulizaliwa wewe na babako? Kwa ajili ya dhulma. Kama vile wale watu wa Kenya walisema wataki project kule national, sisi watu wa Mombasa pia tutaki project hapo Mombasa.
Azijinga gejejo motenelio monene bwechikura senseme ya Mombasa sese county Mombasa returning officer Swala Yusuf Niganya lekawate abune miroberi yonsi nigo yekeranda senseme yo asate biruna abachent bonsi bekyama osebo mo bwekyombegerete ne tobochora monejimbe IBC nigo beroberede asobochori gojokoreka na kitari kemeronge bere na kiando motenyo yoiga ase county yo ya Mombasa.
Had a meeting with the candidates, with the chairman of the commission and the commissioners. There are some things that we had agreed as the commission and the candidates. We agreed that we need to ensure that the election is peaceful. We have had trainings of the chief agents, that is cascaded training downwards to the polling station agents, and we've ensured that we've talked to our chief agents to ensure that the process is smooth. They know what they are expected to do at the tallying centers and at the polling stations. So all these people are aware of what they're expected to do. They are aware of their roles in the polling stations and at the tallying center from tomorrow till 29th when the voting will be taking place.
Neri tukeri morio kage sabara ibe kiama kia movement for democratic and growth banyarte bagoso asomo boli bwa Kenya kwanza azabanyarte bakwariwa numura yo mochole bwenzi ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto ekerobara etwe numura yo mochole somo bunga mochole bunge ya Ugenya David Acheng Kulende ni kubona babwatani anene bali bako mabwasi miuro moja kurwase county yo ya Kisumu banyadire bako kana na wateabuna au bachieta so mabwa Kenya kwanza niko bachiete barabuka banyene nandi niko bachiete kwirigeri barabuka banyene asemana bateura rumbali kunganya kurwasa mabwasi miuro moja ekiagera na bwa togosemeri gusina barucho bosemeria somo bwasi miuro moja wa Kenya.
A purported defection by our friend David Ocheng and his ilk, Mheshimiwa Outa and former Governor Jack Ranguma to Kenya Kwanza I want to tell the people of Kenya that defection has no basis. It is an exercise in futility, and it is not going anywhere.
Abatumeki bebara ya kamandura MAHIU ni gobona banyarire bakoboria serikali koroberia gosikobe kemero bene kwene kimena ebare yongorigere rwere anene kene basukano ya nyarire kogendera okorekana asensemeyu asiri tukorero osobo tukubugo kiera litukorero ni go egari ya maguta ya nyarire ko asensemeyu asibona bamenyi bensemeyu osabo tumeki bebare banyarire babatebuna bebasukane ko basensemeyu na bera nyarike gotangika ekere bare yera rosi buya osera nyarige koreu emero beriko be kwa sensemeyu.
Hiyo inasababisha ajali mingi sana na barabara ni nyembamba. Ni barabara ya kuanzia hapa barabara mbili kuanzia ya highway kwenda MAHIU barabara inakuanga ni narrow. Hata ukijaribu kutesa kidogo itakuwa imemeka accident. Ili wasirue down. Hali ya hewa ni mbaya saa hii. Hali ya hewa ni mbaya kama inawezekana wao wana travel usiku. Gari kama hizi za kubeba mizigo ya pesa mingi. Si travel usiku, sinaenda mchana. Ndio ukungu hakuna. Ikifika usiku wao wanalala mapema.
Sema kitu kama saa 8 ya usiku ndio hii gari ilianguka. Sasa sijui kama Ndizi ilifanya gari angushe gari ama nini, na ilikuwa inatoka Nairobi, kama sijui kama pande hii ilikuwa inaenda Sudani ama inaenda Kampala, sikujua mahali alikuwa anaenda, lakini kitu kama saa 8 kama traffic walifika hapa kitu kama saa 8:30 hivi, kwa sababu kuanzia saa 7 ndio hii gari ilianguka. Izuia kwa sababu hapo anakubali watu wachote mafuta.
Majumuri ngongo kuira goikase gosori gosase biti asito nyarabona chigosori chebirengo biengo yo asije skuru je secondary nigo je korekana se litukorero as
Ngoro kwa Solomon ase David Prince Nduru boys Nduru the bada jitimunye cha itirego chi regionals rugby boys, rugby sevens. Yabu yekene chi point nyingi sana. Ane yende handball bwade, ne yende hockey, ne yende volleyball boys. Again red ball ni ande ko kana ngo etera. Tuanya rebu kitimu echinye. Sauri to bwate bidii sana. Vijana mbali kurugeti. Kelewi ka games bako yende geti ba train kabisa. Training ekogera. Tokonyara kwa kumpira ne chinguwe kabisa. Ono mbiambono ona inu toko badebina muacha mwari ri umpira muyenjo ye kabire anda abana baeri baga basoya se emichezo hawa abawaka hockey yo okinori bawaka ne bigugo baka kabisa baka bagura handball na bawaka volleyball ama na football twabwe twasinini sa uri mu muraterereti agakiranze kaho kiganyonse ko riyo mweri tukabwirwa lakini chimugutore sana kangu sana toira
ngero twendera sensemeyu ye chigosori ni timu ya Sengera ya St Angela's Sengera Girls yanyara gekuyikore timu ya KERERI Girls chipoint 40 ase chipoint 30 turaranga chigosori kino jojo yanyaji okorekana ase ditko ya lero.
Okay, I'm Kennedy Wekesa, coach St. Angela's SENGERA Girls. We were playing the finals against KERERI Girls. It was a tough opponent, but the scores speak by itself. The scores was 40-30. I think my girls have really tried.
I'm Fatuma Juma from St. Angela's SENGERA Girls. We are very happy we have won the finals county and we are proceeding to region.
Okay. My name is Rachel Karisa. Me being the basketball captain, for real, I fear this team. Yes, I fear. But in God we trust. So we thank God for us by reaching to the regionals, that is Kisumu, and we thank God. Say hey!
I'm Madam Lucy Omondi, the Deputy Principal St. Angela Sengera Girls.
Yeah.
We just thank God for the win. And for sure the girls have been training. They are strong and as our motto says, we no, it isn't. Before Corona, we actually went up to the regionals again. So this is the second time that we've been here.
How tough was the match?
50-50, let's say. Not so bad.
Kumajumbulia ndeti katurarona na kia timu ya Kerongorori ya Basubati ya Nyarageko yikore timu ya Nyamecheo chigoli isano nemo asirige na Liesegero. Ine timu ya Kerongorori ya Nyarageko yikore timu ya Nyamecheo chigoli isano nemo asirige na Liesegero katurarona kinero timu hiyo gosi CHIGOSORI ya Nyara chigokorekana.
Yontete ko wakira munyasambi yamona so tubwatsi ne skuru abana baito bayikire final tie county ondata umieti osaba nonde na umieti ta umieti nande babere na discipline hali ya juu nekina kingota kamna nje principal igoro ye skuru go balance ya masomo na co curricular activities igeye nenseme yoko mwana oli talented ina fasi nere aworo ke talent yaye onde kara choru ko rwaji go soko cheze timu ya Nairobi go sesko ya Kenya yesa karanje tutashukuru sana Kerongorori dali skuru yo cheseru ekerewo tamangana ko curricular activities na masomo boigo no mwalimu manene gasiane no wakikisha kwa niaba ya board ne timu ya itel very powerful ya walimu abana bakoli emeremo na tuwa balance ri amasomo na ki MTS amasomo MTS amasomo MTS taendelea hivyo hivyo Mungu akipenda it will be a school to reckon with.
Samarita Vincent captain ya Kerongorori ko bakirambia wana so kubwaterana tuna bantu tokori training mu gasombo tukontori korara na kiki agarire to ikirege ngo bashukuru principal so gutugwatisi gutoikiga gutusupport gotokorera maya na baminto ko bakirambia wana so kubwaterana seri jono torobere tibo bepi andi gangu sabanyasaya tutambuki moto tumwakirembia mama
chitimu eji chonsi bano chanyara chikubwa goseji kwena chire ticket ya CHIGOSORI chino chikoenda asenseri ya Kisumu ase CHIGOSORI regionals chiwikibere chirebosi go chitimu eji chonsi chakora bya sensemeyo korwase county ya Kisii nigo china jira ticket chikoenda ase CHIGOSORI regionals ejo chikokorana ase county ya Kisumu chiwikibere kurubone krobanda tekuyarigania go chinande kogosori ase county hiyo ya Kisumu ikabo nango ikomweri wa mangana itama yewe na twaya sangiri kuri agete kaboniga ngo kubona genda kuri Ndizi TV nero bwansuma gusinyirana nabokana kubwatya mangana itugwetera sensa media mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News digital wega sensa mo ya YouTube na botonyora Ndizi TV News ugotaka gutwara chingaki na boto tweet @Ndizi TV News wega na boto mekerengerkeo kirensa kireteka wetera se namba era se skin ya ni ngo sabiro botuko bya botabwati biru kunyo bine bya skonde nyorana gikoraga chinsa isato chabono botuko ni gochikonyora na John Kebati endama kwira Amayia Ensa Eyemo rwe keumbu ekarwa gutwara magani ase mesa ye keumbu ende bakwanire siasa na siasa yaera bona baraina bakwana na ali barengete chigokora ekarwa bachodirwa sebirogo agoto machakuri ali rwe keumbu asobotko bwalero njetiango tige asamagoko ya matera anyasaye karoga nyete rwe keumbu botko bwaboni yorenga sensa medio rwe manyeredio nigakorokwa Joshua Uta yorenga sensa meli yesterday yakabere kwenda kuna maligine chibichago jira senjera ya bene no Musa James Nigeriane Brighton Makoli.
Ndizi TV ubwenso bw'umuguzi nigo bono yakoni kirundekerene nego kurengera chibice chinkia nabo igo chinkeno nukukigima nabo